When you go into work every day, what gets you the most excited to go in and do? Like, what's you're getting up in the morning, you're driving to the office, you're driving to the factory. What is the thing that most excites you aside from seeing Glenn? I mean, obviously clearly that's number one. But after seeing Glenn, what gets you excited?
What gets me excited? It's the learning of it, because a lot of the time I come in, the area I'm working in right now, it's all completely new to me. I'm running fourth axis right now, and I'm training on 5-axis, and it's exciting. It's a whole nother ball game. You go there, and I never know what I'm going to be working on, because it's a new game daily.
So you're getting opportunities to grow and try new things?
Absolutely.
What are you finding from some of, am I allowed to say old timers, some of the old timers that are around? Are you finding that they're welcoming you and embracing you? What's been your experience from that perspective?
Everything I've ever learned in the trade has come from people, the older generation, the ones that are close to retiring. They know the most, and to be honest, it's where you learn the best from.